Let me show you how to see your YouTube chat.
Hello people. Welcome back to another Dami's Views video. I still call it Dami's Views even though it's not been Dami's Views for a while. I have my jacket on behind me and my toothbrush. I forgot to set up everything before I went to stream because I need to do this and then go to sleep. And also my hair is kind of a mess. Let's brush my hair live on stream, bro. Let's brush hair live on stream. Where's my brush? Where did I put my brush? I don't know, but it's somewhere here. I'll find it in a second. I can't find it. I'll find it as soon as I stop streaming. It's not gonna be fun. Okay, there it is. Let's get hair brushed on stream, bro. Cause my hair is kind of wild, bro. Okay, we got it. It's set up and ready to go. Let's go. And I'm going to reduce the music a little bit on my side, I think, because I find it a bit too loud. And I can see if I can increase it for you guys, and then, or you can't even hear it for now. So let me restart the capture. I forgot to do that. Restart the capture. And today, guys, we're doing some physics work. Not physics work, I mean calculus work. I postponed it so that I could, from yesterday to today, because I wanted to do my assignment live, but sadly, I will not be doing that either. I'll just continue the textbook work that I've been doing during the break because I can no longer do what I thought I was going to do. So let us get straight into that. And as usual, we're going to use the Pomodoro. As we did yesterday, we're going to use the Pomodoro timer to get us started. And I did not, and because of the way that our thing happened yesterday, I was not able to do it the right way. So I will have to just do it again, do the chemistry one. No, I'm not doing chemistry again, but I'll have to start all over and begin with so let us begin our timer. I don't know why I'm being so weird and confusing in my talk. Okay, so I'm going to open the other thing. That's the music. Wow, and where is it? Preview. Yes, my calculus textbook. So we're going to now scroll down. I should have done this before. I thought I had it set, but I did not. And go to chapter 5 because I'm in Calc 2. So Calc, this is all Calc 1, except this because you go up to antiderivatives after. But we go down to the definite integral, and we're going to do some of these today. So in this chapter over here, I've already done 1, 7, 9, and 11. So we'll just continue through there. And I haven't finished this one technically. So we're going to finish that and get to work. I'm going to go and open my calculator so that I can calculate. Is there any way to switch? Yeah, I can switch the mode to this. And now let us begin. So let's see, cosecant. I don't have cosecant on this one. So I'll have to go over to Chrome then. Sine. So let's go over here. So I'm going to go to Desmos, Scientific, and I think we have cosecant on this one. Let me just make sure. Yes, we do. So cosecant 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 4. And if you're watching this as a replay, even if it's 5 years from now, please put a comment and say, I did not see this live. And it will be very nice to do that. I have always seen my father do that when he does his streams, but I never did that myself. And I don't know why I don't. But I now am doing it because my father is started streaming after me and still... No, he started streaming before. Technically, he streamed before me, but I was more serious on it before. No, he was more serious. There's no need to compete. I just need to beat him if I need to. If I want to. If I want to say anything. So for now, I can't say anything. Switch to the radians. What? Why is it confused? Why is it confused? It doesn't know cosecant. I completely forgot about that. Let's go back over here. Let's just make sure that no one's okay. Moving on. So let's look for a calculator that I can do that. Calculator. So we're figuring out things for me. You know, we're figuring out. Okay. No, we're figuring out ways to be smart here, and is Calc is short for calculator. I was searching for the video. I am not searching if Calc is short for calculator, because I know what calculator is. It's Calc is short for calculator, and it's also that funny video where it's like you know what Calc, you know what kind of thing. No one has a good calculator. Cosecant calculator. Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna cut the angle, radians. There you go. I know. Wait. Nope, that doesn't make sense. 3 pi. No. how am I going to do this now? Because if I go 3.14, that could work. 14, and it gives me. That's not what I need. I need a cosecant calculator. Give me something good. Okay, enter it in. What is that number? I don't think it should be showing that number, but I don't know what that number is. Ah, get rid of that number. Okay. I have no idea what that number is. Oh no. I know what that number is. I will not tell what that number is though. Ah, I get that. That was not good. That was not good at all. Okay. So let's switch it over to this. Okay, pi radians. There we go. So 3 pi 4. So then that will give you root 2. Root 2 over here. So let's go over here. So root 2. And I'm using the cool thing here called what's it called? Yeah, the equation editor, and it's very helpful. I really like it. But I don't know why this is it also root 2? So it's root 2 minus root 2. That does make sense. So it's just 0. We'll see in a sec once we cross-check. But right now, what we're getting is it's 0. That the definite this is a 0 because we're going from 0 to 0, from roots 2 to roots 2, and then it goes when you get 0. But are we sure? Because that 3 over 4, I think that 3 over 4 should be negative, shouldn't it? Because let's look at it. Yeah, then 3 over 4 goes right here-ish. So, yeah, it should be good. It should be good. I think that's good. Let's just check using the other Desmos, which is the graphing calculator. So if you go cosecant, cosecant x, and then let's go for root 2x equals 3 pi over 4. Yep, that gives you root 2. And then for x equals root equals pi over 3, pi over 4, you get not the same, you get the same thing. So what does it say? Oh, it's just giving me the answer. Okay, so then this gives you this gives you that. So then the distance between this and this shouldn't be 0 then. No, because this is not the, this is not the thing, because it's the antiderivative. So I got the integral, and then yeah, that makes sense. So this is this and this, the difference between these two. That works with me. Okay. Because this is the thing, so let's actually look at the, so cosecant, it's cosecant, cotangent, right? Yeah, cosecant, cotangent. And I don't know if it's helping me out with that. Cosecant x cotangent y. No. How will I write cotangent here? Cotangent x. Okay, so then y equals this, and then we'll say z equals this, and then g equals z y, and we're going to x. doesn't know how to react, which is annoying. Oh. I don't know how to do that, but it should work that way. I don't know. There aren't for the use parentheses over there aren't arguments of C. Oh? Whoa. This is crazy. What kind of graph is this? So then, what am I seeing here? Whoa, this is wild. But I'm not supposed to be doing this. This is confusing. But like, then, let's see the int of it. Int from 3 pi over 4. Pi over 4. I'm going to put the brackets in. And then with 3 pi over 4 of Z. Oh yeah. What does that mean? Oh, okay, so it's just thinking that. Okay. And for this one, Z, so try to equal that. Okay, well, equals. I'm confused. This is very weird. Because I'm getting a 0 here. I'm getting a 0 from my answer, but I'm getting weird numbers here from my thing here, which is very annoying, in my opinion. But we move. Let's just keep going, and then we'll figure it out during the break, the 5-minute break, what went wrong. So let's just keep going. So we're done with 11, are we? What am I doing? Oh wait, no, I'm not in 5. I'm in 5.4, not 5.3. Okay, that makes no sense. I was like, why is that different? And no one told me. No one told me. Why did no one tell me? Also, I didn't put on my Instagram that I'm live again. I had time to do it. I just was doing something else instead. I was trying to figure out if I could put my live chat on the thing, but I was not able to. So, shame. It's a shame. Should I pause the timer? No, because it shows I get distracted easily. I need to show the people that I get distracted easily. And that is true. I'm looking at a friend's thing and not doing what I'm supposed to. So let me do that now. What? No way. The Habs are so bad sometimes. Like, how did... What? Wow. Wow. That's crazy. 1-1 Habs right now, but let's just get this out in the public's eye. And I'm going to put zoom in and then put the link. Get the link. Let's get the link. Let's get the link, guys. Let's get the link. Waste some of my time, but let's get the link. Let's get the link. Copy the link. Paste it on my phone. Suck it, non-Apple users. I get to use my phone the right way. And I found it very funny what I put on my door. And if you have me on Instagram, you would know. What do I need? I'll put music. Let me put some music. I'll put the Hinoki wood thing. And no, I do not want to be copyright claimed. Live right now. Hope it goes better. Hope it goes better. Let's close this now since we don't need it. Goes better. Than last time. I'm being like Hassan, bro. And he, because he does his blast off or whatever late. And I did that today. And very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so let's continue our work. Let's continue the work. Let's get back to work. Because the people have been informed and now they can decide to join or not. But I do not care. I just do my thing. I just do it. Because I am just that kind of guy. Let's just make sure that the sound quality is good actually on this time. Because I increased the volume this time, but who knows? Maybe it's still terrible. And we could check that by going to the stream itself, but I don't want to do that because that will sound too soundly. So I'm just going to do it on my phone and then mute my microphone. Audio quality is sound. I agree. It is sound. I like it. It's very nice. So let us get back to work with how many minutes left to go? 7 minutes, bro. And we've done one question. Singular, not even a full question, just like part of a question. And we have this much left. We have so much more left. But like, let's just keep going, bro. Let's keep going. So copy it over here. Grab it. Put it in the document. Nope. Go in the document. Go in the document. Open the equation and let's type it in. So int /int brown underscore pi over 2. What are we starting at? Pi over 2. What's it called? Pi over 2. No. Oh. I need to rewind. Pi slash, no. The actual slash. The 2, no. Then we go raise to power 0. And then you have 1 plus. Oh, I didn't put the dx on this one. Dx. 1 plus cos 2t. Yeah, right? Divided by. No. What? I put all that work and then you just put it on the rows. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. I don't know. This is the hardest part of this work. Is putting it inside the correct. Oi, oi, oi. I see what happened here. It went. I put most of it outside, so it's confused. It's confused. I know it. I know it. Sorry. Let me try this again. 1 plus cos t, 2t, divided by 2. Hey! No. Still wrong. Still wrong. Please tell me the truth. There we go. This should work. Yes. And then we put the dx. That equals 2. So first we need to find the thing of that. And I don't know what the... I think it's minus... It's sine. But you first have to break it into 2. So I break it into 2, or should I flip already? Because right now we have it so that the thing is, I can make it. Okay, there we go. I wanted the pi to be pi. But if I want to, what I can do is I can make it so that the pi over 2 is on the top, because that's normal. Or I can just leave it like this and just have it the 0 and then go 0 minus whatever. Which I think I'll just do, and then I'm no need to flip it the other way, or because what I need to know, what I know is that I have to, for the other ones, I just had to do it for, I don't know which one it was, but there was one that I had to flip before, but I don't think I need to flip this time. So what I will do instead is just put int. And I think in the future, I think people will be like, what is this guy smoking? Why is this guy is not teaching us anything? And that's not the point, actually. It's just, it's me doing stuff and you learning along or going with me in this weird, strange life that we all existed. That we all existed, you know? That's how life works. Sometimes. And then, so then I have 1 over 2 on this side, and then we have the other one where it's int, and then you go by 0 and no, divided by slash pi over 2 over 2. No, I didn't put the slash. Pi over 2, and then the 0. Boom. So then you put the cos t over 2, cos 2t over 2, and you can't cancel out the 2 because the 2 thing, but you can move it out because that's how that would work. But so I would have to do cos t over 2, and I can't remember how you do it, how that works. So let me check, because I'll have to go all the way back up to 4.8, so where they talk about antiderivatives, and we'll learn once again what is the antiderivative of a constant. I skipped too far, and why is stream beats? I don't know why. Some people will be like, nah, this music is it's terrible. I disagree wholeheartedly. And because that's not how I don't roll like that, you know? I know that it's just multiplying against the thing, but I just can't remember how it worked. I think it's over here, actually. Let's check. Okay, derivative. Integral. I love that video so much. It's just so, it's like, flippity slip. Oh, no, that's not the same guy. What am I doing? It's not the same guy. Sorry, man. No. If I've already skipped it, okay, there it is. C dx. Yeah. So, for the first one, it will be 1 over 2 times 0 minus, 0 minus pi over 2. No. Times 0 minus, pi over 2. And then for the other one, plus the derivative of this one. So that will be 1. Oh my. We did it, guys. We made it to the break period while doing one single question. But like, we can recap from there. Because like, look at this. I was able to do a singular question in that entire time. And I am sad that not even up to a singular question. It was like half a question. But we're going to get better at this. We're going to be so good at this. We're going to be like, bam, 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 eventually. But right now, we're slow. Yesterday's stream was actually much better. Not better than this stream, because this is actually staying solid for 33 minutes. That's good. I like that. I like that a lot. And I will stop streaming at some point, but not now. We still have to do one more. We'll do at least one more question. One more cycle, and then I can maybe go to sleep. But I think since that's the 25 minutes mark, and I think I was in my coming soon thing for 5 minutes, and then talked for like another 3, and then began the Pomodoro timer. So I think we can stay on for a bit longer, so that we can do longer than an hour, so that we can have that set up. And I think that's what I'll do. I'll just have that. I'll do for a bit longer than an hour, because we'll do the Pomodoro, this next counter. In the meantime, what will we do during the break? I think what we can do is look at that question that we did before and see what I went wrong with, where I went wrong. Like, why was it so confusing? And I think I got the answer right, but like, let's go and check. Let's go and check. Where's the sidebar? Okay, there. Table of contents and answers to odd, whatever. And that's 11 of 5.4. So let's keep going. Scroll. Hey, I love this song actually. No. Bow, bow, bow. I used to listen to Extreme Beats as like just normal, because like you can see it's one of my liked songs. No, it's not. Yes, it is. I knew it was one of my liked songs. This is one of my liked songs. I love Endless Loop. I don't really remember the names, but I've always had them as part of my like songs. You know. Let's add this back. So then that's it. Also, I'm going to edit out that clip from earlier when I was trying to do the Calc thing, just for safety reasons. Or no, don't do that. Actually, we'll see. Maybe. 11, 0. Let's go. So we're right on that one, and I'm not going to check if I'm right on the other one. So very nice. We got that right, even though the graph looks very weird. Let's look at the graph again. I like looking at that graph. That graph is a very weird graph. Let's look at the graph again. Look at that graph. Like, all of it is just, it's so confusing. Because, like, once you zoom in, it's just like, what is this? What is this? It's like one element list? What does that mean? What does that mean? I mean undefined. I'm confused. Alright? I'm confused. Because I have the right answer here. Oh? Hey, I found it. Let's go. They figured it out. Bro. Yeah, because they see it. Yeah, so like there's no distance because you're going from here to here. Boom, I'm right. Well, because where are we going from? Yeah, we're going from here to here. Yeah. See, minus plus. Yeah, it should be minus. Yeah, that's why I was confused. Because like this is minus, this is plus. So then this should cancel out that way, but mine canceled out. Oh yeah, it canceled out the right way. Because this one is a 3/4. But mine canceled out the opposite, where it had the -2, gave the -1 out. And then this one should have been positive. Yeah, this one's positive, this one's negative. So then this one should have been negative. Oh, whatever. It doesn't really matter. But we have 12 seconds, guys. What else do you want to do in the break for 7 seconds? We could join the art expo for 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. I don't think I can join the. I don't know. Sag. Let's continue through the thing, and it's giving the thing for. Oh, that's kind of sad. I don't want to give it to that. I want to give it to this one. Okay, who cares? I gave one Pomodoro session to Calc when I was doing chemistry. I went to chemistry when I was doing calculus. That's kind of sad. I don't deal with that. That's kind of sad. Let's remove the sidebar again, and get back to work, bro. Oh. Okay, move on. Let's go back up. I did that. I forgot to go back to the place before I so then now you can hide the sidebar, put and then extend there. Bam. So we're now going back over here and finishing this question. So we have 1/2 of this, so that gives you pi/4, but that's not the thing we're talking about right now. We're talking about you move the 2 forward, so you make it 1/2, 1/k, plus, no, not plus, then you switch this one to sine, and then you go, and because we have 0 there, so that will make it 0, so you just put the pi/2. Or what do you minus it? I think you would minus it because you go, because it's this minus that. So it would be, yeah, it should be minus. Or should it? I don't know. Let's check. You have the, so it's this minus this. Yeah. So, no. Yeah, you're minus. Yep, minus. Okay. So you put the minus there, minus sine pi/2. So now let's calculate it again. So pi/2. So what's our graph again? Its graph is, we could do it that way, but I think what we want to do is just do the calculation. So we'll go back over to this cosecant thing, and then so we need sine. No, sine is easy. Yeah, that one we can just use our normal calculator. So let's open back up the Chrome and the thing, and then we'll put the calculator. So sine, and we're not in radians, so sine, sine pi/2. Pi/2, I should know this, but it's 1. It's 1. 1. Yeah, it's 1. Then 1/2 is then half. So then you go half minus pi/4. So pi/4. Pi/4 minus half. So half pi/4 minus 0.5. And that gives you 0.2 or whatever. So that's, but I don't want that. I want an actual number. So I'm going to go back over to the Desmos one, because Desmos has I'm teaching you things. I'm teaching you things, kind of. Like, I'm teaching you how to use things. Like, if you want to use something that actually gives you out the thing, if you don't have your calculator on you, like I wish I did, but I don't have it on me because I forgot it in another place. Well, so you should get your calculator back, you know. Now, why is it not switching? I don't know. Why do I get so angry? I don't know why I get so angry. I wanted to reserve the whoa. Braille mode. Whoa. 6 key input. Wow. You got like Braille things. But I don't have, how would you use Braille for this? Interesting. That's kind of cool. But how would you know to type these things if you're not? You can't feel Braille on the screen. I'll figure it out later. Okay, so let's turn off Braille mode and also turn off this 6 reverse contract. Oh, that hurts my eyes. So 0.28, I'm going to just put 0.28, but I don't want to put 0.2. I think I'll just leave it the way it is so that it's, yeah, since this is as close as we'll get to an actual answer, to the good answer. So let's move on to the next one. Pi over 4 to minus 0, and then we'll just do that. No, I'll put it there. I'll have to take it again because the thing has disappeared. Wow. What? No. I should get out of the thing first. 10 squared is secant, I think. I don't remember. Let's check. I cannot remember. Let's check. Wait a minute. We'll zoom in. Antiderivatives. 10 squared is, oh yeah. What? 10 squared is not part of the ones here. Do I have to split it into cos x and sin x, maybe? That would make sense. But I don't think I can do that. What's the derivative of 10x squared? Let's check. So we're going to go to, so let's go. And then I don't know how to do this. So do I just do it like infinity or whatever? How do I put the infinity sign? No. 10 squared x dx. Inf. This is not good. I don't like it. What is it? What is it? 0? Let's check. 10x squared. 10 squared x integral 10x minus x plus c. Interesting. It's a trigonomic identity. Let's check. So, yep, you had to do it that way. Interesting. Because if you did it that way, that would not make sense. Because I was thinking, okay, so let's do it the long way. Let's figure it out the long way. And then come back. Okay. Because I was thinking that, yeah, you had to split it into 2. But I was just like, do I have to? And then I guess I have to, because it's just a learning experience here. But I think I'm glad that I was right in that calculation, you know? And then let's stop this from moving around. I don't like it. Also, why did the thing tan x squared like disappear? But okay, go wow. But no, close. Tan x squared. So let's go back down. Not 5.5, but not in indefinite integrals. We're just doing normal integrals. Normal integrals. Indefinite integrals are no longer normal integrals to me. Thank you very much. Okay, so then let's go over here, and then we go code. Then you have in/int, and then you have then score 0, then overscore pi over 4, yeah. Pi over 4. Oh no, equal to tan x squared. Tan squared x, then dx equals to, then we'll just put the thing, tant, then you go 0, then multiplied by the brackets, in brackets by /4 to go around. I didn't put the thing in front. And then you got sine squared x divided by cos. Did I write this wrong? Yeah. Divided by cos squared x, and then which equals to, so you do the sine first and then the x second. No, because what we need to do is that we do this one. You can't separate them that way. So what we'll have to do, see if there's a rule that can, yeah, there must be a rule that can separate the two. Okay, let's go over here. So if we have min-max, sum or difference, that's not what we need. We need one of dividing, because if we want to divide the two, we could we split? I don't think we can split. So we can't split. So we'll have to do it simultaneously. So then it would be int pi over 4 no. So it would be divided by /pi by 4. Wait. Okay, so sine x squared is just, so let's go back up. The derivative of sine squared is not defined. Oh, we have to make it sine. So we have to multiply it twice. So we have two sines. Then bring the sign out. No, we can't bring the sign out. So you have to put the sign. So then it'll be cos x minus cos x minus cos x. So minus cos x squared. And then the other one would be sine x squared. Would be sine squared. So then you would have minus. No, that'll just go back to. That'll be secant squared. No, that'll be cotangent squared. Then cotangent squared would then be, okay, let's write that out. Because we're going int, and then going 0. Yeah, 0 multiplied by pi over 4 pi over 4. And then you got sine squared. No, cosine squared minus cosine squared squared divided by sine squared which equals to that's confusing. So then you have that to make that. I remember seeing secant on the other one's thing, but I can't figure out how to make that secant. So then this one will be now cotangent. So that will be now cotangent squared, and this the yes, there we go. Oh wait, no, because cotangent is not a derivative of anything. So I would have to cancel out something maybe. Or since I'm doing the derivative, so I have to put the pi over 4 in, right? No? Do I? Wait. No, this is just equal to the sine, right? Wait. Okay, so we're going to copy all of this. Cut it out. Boom. And then boom that. And this will now be plus cotangent. What's cotangent? Because you have the minus. And then you go pi over 4. Wait. No, it won't be plus because you're going this, so it'll still be minus cotangent, and then you go pi over 4. I like this one. It's like very spooky. Spook. Why is it not converting it into a fraction? Okay, there you go. And then this one also pi over 4. By 4. Bam. So then, if you put that way, that should give you something. And then, that's no annoying. So, 6 minutes. No. Why am I so slow? I'll drop the image here. Oh, that doesn't do anything. Okay, good to know. Let's go to our good friend ChatGPT. That's gonna help us answer that question. Help us answer this question. Not the actual question, but just this part, because I'm only for helping. I just want this to be done. I want the answer of this. Yep. So the answer is -1. I don't think that's the right answer. But we'll check that in the break, I guess. I don't know. So it's equals to -1. Equals to -1. Okay. -1? Okay. -1. Okay. Is that right or no? Yeah, it is right. Okay, so that is correct. But no, because it'll be 1/2. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That works. Root 1/2. Yeah. No, wait, no. Square 2/2. No, this is 1/2 because it's root 2 squared. So then that'll be 2/2. So then that'll be 1 over. Oh, then you square the other one. Yes, okay. So then it'll be 2/4. And then you get 1/z. I know, math is math, and then I almost got angry at ChatGPT. But okay, let's do that. So we got that, and I don't think we're right. I don't think we're right on this one, but we tried. We first searched, but then we went to ourselves individually and tried to do it that way. And I don't think we're right, but like, live and learn, you know? And we'll learn as soon as we're done with this question. We'll learn. Control E. And then we got sine 2x. Is the stream still going? Yeah. We haven't had any issues. Seriously. Let's go. Sin. No. You have to put the entire int thing first. Also, let's make sure that looks like int, and then you go, and then you go 0, and then we have raised to the power of pi. Pi over 8, and then you get sine to x dx. And then for this one, it should be easier. So sine, we already know that one's cos, negative cos. Cos x. Negative cos x. So then that would now be negative. It's pi over 8. Could I have done that with the thing? I don't know. I was thinking about if I could have used the normal calculator to solve the last question. Not like to do the derivative, but like to actually just solve the question. But who cares? So let's just do the negative cos. The cos pi over 8. I don't know what this is, and it's a specific number, so we'll figure it out. It's not a specific number. It's not a specific number. I'll check the unit circle. No, 1 minute. Two. Why is that so ugly? And also, why does it look like I'm selecting it, but I'm not selecting it? Why is Google like that? Okay, so it's 2 or 2 or whatever. So it's not a real number. I don't care about it. So then we'll just leave it as equals to root 2 square root. Okay, let's do it. We'll do the whole thing. Square root. No, it's going to equal to negative square root 2 plus 1 over square root of 2. Oh. Square root. No, not square root. Not square root. Square root of 2. Okay, so then that will be the answer for that one, and I don't think that's correct, but like, we made it to the end of another conversation, and I did 2 questions showing how slow I am, and it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad that I'm taking so long on these short questions. So we're gonna get faster. We're gonna get faster, but it's gonna take a bit. And also, they need to start earlier, but I don't think I can. Ay. Why is it so loud? So this is most like I don't think I'm going to go longer than this because I need to go to bed. I need to go to bed eventually. But let's check the answer and then we'll sign off. Also, why am I biting myself? Ooh, disgusting. Disgusting. Say disgusting in the chat. Say disgusting in the chat. Don't call me disgusting in the replay. No, that's just don't do that because I might forget the context of this 4 years from now, and then I'll be like, why are people calling me disgusting in the chat? I don't remember. But still, don't let me have that moment of panic quickly. So like, just don't. Okay, so let's check 15 first. 15. 15 was I got something else, so I'm already wrong. I'm already wrong because I got 1/2 and it got 1. So we know that I'm wrong in one on that one already, I think. Yeah, because I got 1 here and they got that. So 13. Oh, 13, I was wrong in 2 ways, actually. 13, I was wrong twice. That's just sad. That's just that. I failed 13, 15, and 17 are all wrong. They're all very wrong. I don't know why they're wrong, but let's figure out why they're wrong now. Let's do that quickly. So we're gonna copy it and then put it in ChatGPT, which is not the best, but like we can investigate for if it's wrong either. So the integral is there, simplify it, and that was what oh my gosh. I could have brought it out like that. Okay, minus 9 over 4. What? No way. No, that's just sad. It was right. It was just like that. No way. Cause like, yeah. Sine. Oh my lord. 2 on a 0. Sine 0 is that. 9 pi is that. Oh, that's just good. Oh yeah, because I forgot the 2t. I forgot the 2t. That's why. It should have been 2 times 0. Ooh. I'm this close, and then I messed it up. Because then this one should also be 9. Oh, I was that close, and I messed it up. Okay, let's do the second one. Let's do the second one. We'll correct it in a sec. So tan x squared. So. Oh. This makes so much sense. I don't know why. Okay, that's why I was saying use the trigonometry identity. Okay, so for this one, I was wrong because of 2 things. So secant squared turns into tan. Secant squared minus 1, so then you break it down like that, and then you get the answer 1 minus pi over 4, because you just combine the integrals and that kind of thing. Makes sense. But then for me, I just did the long way, and I did it wrong, so I'm going to correct that as well. But not yet. First, we need to check the last question. the one that I got so wrong, even though it should be super easy, barely an inconvenience. I see why I did it wrong. I can already see it. I'm supposed to bring the 1/2 out, and then also put the 2 in the actual question, bro. Why are you so dumb? Okay. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. You can see how. Oh yeah, anyone that saw this and was like, yeah, this guy's smart. This guy's not smart. No, he's smart. He's just dumb sometimes. That's just annoying. Cause like you have to put the K. I forgot about bringing the K out. I have to bring the K out. Arg, bro, arg. It should be arg. I don't know why I kept doing that because I have to go to the coast, and then also coast 0 is something. I forgot about that too. I forgot that sign because the coast 0. Oh wow. This I need to make this less loud in my ear and both for us and the other thing. But like wow, we did it, guys. We did it. We did it, guys. We corrected within 5 minutes. We did the correcting in 5 minutes. That's good. But the actual thing we did in 25. But technically, I did do 2 questions in that one, so like that was faster than the other one. Because the first one I did half of this, and then I got distracted and also sent out the thing for I'm live in this time, and then this thing where it worked better. But yeah, I think that was good. Also, people joined. Why is people no hate just an odd thing to do? Understandable. I should have been there, but no hate. My guy, no hate. Not just an odd thing to do. It's interesting. I sad that I saw this after you left the stream, but because I need because I need to study. Need to study. I'll tell it. I'll tell. This is my bro, so I'm just gonna. I need to study, and I came up with I came up with excuse up with a way to do so. uh, so like that's I think that and it combines my love for the game. 1 hour of calculus, not technically, it's more like 15. It's more like 45 minutes of calculus. So like, let's go, guys. We did it. Let's switch to the cam. And I still haven't used my gimmick yet because I just haven't. I could have used it. I just haven't used it. But I'm good. I'm glad to be here. I'm good. It was a good stream. Good thing that nothing frames didn't drop as much as last time, because last time I just like completely got killed and just this my stream died. But I've dropped streams only 740 times in this stream, so like that's good. The other time it was just telling me nothing. It was just going like the kind of thing. This time it was better. I got 5 views while the stream was going. I'm good with that. And I'm glad that you joined. So we'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow is linear algebra day, and that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be after my linear algebra class, which is also kind of fun. And once we're done with that, it'll be nice. And also because linear algebra is the only class that I failed last semester, so technically only class that I technically failed. All the classes I wish I had higher, but this semester is gonna be an A+ semester. I guarantee it. Because we're putting in the work. We're putting in the work today, and we're just gonna keep going and striving until we're super fast and also super good at these kind of things. On Friday, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna look through midterms and stuff, and that's gonna be a good time looking through midterms of all the different classes that I'm in. So see ya then.